Yo guys, this is BIONT, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make tech house in the style of James Hype. In particular, we're going to remake his new track, You Give Me a Feeling, that he made together with Vintage Culture. This is how it sounds if you haven't checked it out yet. Before starting with the video though, don't forget to do all that good stuff to support these FLPs. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below if you got any suggestions for future videos. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the video. As always guys, let's get started with the drums. Now we're adding another layer, and this is the main layer. At the end of every true bar, we're also adding this mold fill. Alright guys, so now let's move to the claps. Let's see how they sound. Now we're adding another layer. I'm also automating the delay in order to make this cool feel. Great, so now let's move to the open hands. Let's see how they sound. Yeah, but let's add some more. And this is the last layer. Cool guys, so then we're moving to percussion, starting from the simple closed heads. Let's see how it sounds. It is actually made of 2 layers, so let's hear them one by one. Then we're adding some simple snares and just some rides loop. Great guys, so now let's hear the drums all together. Alright guys, so then we're moving to the main elements, starting from the bass, so let's hear how it sounds alone. This bass line is made of 2 layers, so let's hear them one by one. This is just a simple sub. And this is just a more complex type of bass line. In particular, in order to get that cool FM-ish type of sound, I used hyperdimension. But probably you could have gotten the same result also with a simple phaser. Let's hear how it sounds with and without these effects. Cool guys, so now we're adding the last layer, which is as always effects. So let's hear how they sound alone. We have the simple white noise whip up. And another one which is very similar. Alright guys, so now as always for the final step, let's just lap some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, so now we're finally done also with this project. As always, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get this FLP completely for free. But now, without any further talking, let's get straight into the final result.